Speech Secrets.
Hi, this is Kasondra, and welcome to Speech Secrets. This is a word-finding exercise video inspired by the garage. Well, my uncle's garage. This video is for adults who've had a stroke or traumatic brain injury and have word-finding difficulties like aphasia. I'll be giving you hints or cues in order from least supportive to most supportive to help you find the word you're trying to say. You're gonna need a helmet for this. Name the item that you see. This is used for measuring. It's a tape measure. This is used for hitting nails. It's a hammer. This is used to tighten bolts. A wrench. This is used to hold down a wire. A pair of pliers. These are what the hammer hits. A flathead nail. A nail. These protect your eyes. A pair of goggles. They could be glasses too. This is for writing. A pen. A pencil. This is to make a hole. It's a power drill.
Extra credit. What do you call that? It's a drill bit. A drill bit. Cha-ching! Way to go.
This is for tapping or banging something into place. It's a mallet. This is used with wood to get it nice and smooth. A sander. This is used to cut wood. A saw. This puts out flames. It's a fire extinguisher. Over here it looks like we've just got a couple pieces of wood. This device holds things in place. It's a vise. This also holds things in place. A clamp. These protect your hands. Gloves. You have a Phillips and a flathead. A screwdriver. This is used for a lasso. Rope. Here it looks like we've got a bucket of screws. This is used for hanging things straight. It's a level. Here we've got a metal a chain. Now I just thought all these were cool. License plates. How'd you do? You made it! Thanks for watching, and be kind to yourself.